Hi and welcome. Certainly you are a data developer and you use an ETL process development. And you are using tools like Informatica or SQL integration services. There are great tools. But why we use an Azure Databricks? Let's discover this in this tutorial. Every day, data engineering is searching for collecting data from multiple data sources into a centralized data warehouse and treat historical data that deal with storage and process optimization, transform the data by implementing rules to the business or data science needs, and build KPI based on data for informed business decision. To process and to handle the data, typically we need an ETL operation. ETL that means extract, transform, and load. Extract data from multiple source systems like customer data or manufacturing data. Transform like applying a converting type like a date type, and next to load data into a destination like a data warehouse. We can do this process by using multiple tools like Informatica or SQL Server integration services. These tools is here from a long time and typically for a structured data. Today the volume is increasing, and especially for the unstructured data. For example, log file, JSON file, CSV file, the stream data, NoSQL database source like Cassandra, MongoDB, Cosmos DB, and such more database. So we have to scale our infrastructure. For example, to manage this quantity of data, we have to manage 100 of machine in one time. So we should have great tools to manage scalability infrastructure and to treat this growth of data. This is the challenge of the traditional ETL. And also for this traditional ETL should be maintaining interoperability and keeping the low cost of the evolving business need. In the last few years, we are beginning talking about the big data. The big data is the solution for the traditional ETL. Let's see together. First, the customer of data like a business user don't want to deal with the messing and the complexity of the raw data. Also, the data scientist wanted to keep working on data and extracting KPIs futures. And this is when Apache Spark is coming. Why Apache Spark? Because it's so fast and it has a powerful engine for large-scale data processing, whatever structured and unstructured data. In-memory engine can run workload up to 100 faster than Hadoop. Highly scalable architecture allow it to run 100 or more machine and process terabyte of data in parallel. Variety of use case: batch processing, stream ingestion, machine learning, and advanced analytics. And now let's see together if Apache Spark let us to find the solution for the traditional ETL. Let's see together what is the difficult to use Apache Spark. The infrastructure management, to manage the disk, to manage the machines. It's so difficult to manage this with Apache Spark. Upgrade challenge. If you have to upgrade the version of Apache Spark on production, we have to deal with that. The lack of user interface. You don't have a great interface to use Apache Spark. Manual configuration. The configuration is done manually. Tooling. We have to manage security, dependency, deployment of the application, and also the difficult to collaborate with the teams. We need to have an intuitive and collaborative environment without worrying about infrastructure and upgrades. And this is when Databricks is a company founded by the original creator of Apache Spark. So Databricks is fully managed and optimized platform for running Apache Spark. Also provide the tool branch of tools out of the box. So if you wanted to start coding on Databricks, just go to the website and start working, and you have a result from the first seconds. Also provide an integrated workspace to write code and to do real-time collaboration. And your infrastructure, create your machine, your cluster, and manage your package dependency. If you have Apache Spark plus Databricks plus Azure, we found Azure Databricks. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to use Azure Databricks, doing a small example. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.